Homeless advocates are pushing back against a Sacramento County judge after he asked the city for help on the issues of crime and homeless encampments around the courthouse. After the judge called for more police and enforcement, critics say his comments are one-sided and may raise ethical questions about whether he's biased against the unsheltered. KCRA 3's Lizzie Mitri has more from both sides.
The prejudgment against the rights of homeless people. That's very dangerous.
We're concerned that there may have been violations.
Homeless advocates gathered at the Sacramento County Superior Courthouse in downtown Sacramento, raising ethical concerns about the court's presiding judge.
Judges at all times have to safeguard the impartiality of the courts.
California Homeless Union attorney Anthony Prince questions whether presiding judge Michael Bowman did that after claiming there's been a growing number of encounters between the unsheltered and other members of the public at and around the courthouse. In a letter to the mayor 2 weeks ago, Judge Bowman wrote, daily incidents include physical and verbal assault, public sex acts, open fires, nudity, urinating and defecating on walkways. The court's responsibility is access to justice, and there's growing concern the conditions surrounding the facilities prevent just that. So he called for Sacramento police to increase its presence in the area. Mark Marin is a local civil rights attorney.
That's an indication of bias, an indication of prejudice, which calls into question the ability of all the judges on the Sacramento County bench to rule on these issues.
But the California Homeless Union has stopped short of formally filing a complaint with the Judicial Ethics Committee, instead requesting to meet with the judge.
We want to talk to you about what is a far more complicated situation than you're making it out. We think we have some ideas and some solutions.
So far, that request has been denied, with the judge saying a meeting would not be appropriate or productive. In Sacramento, Lizzie Mitri, KCRA 3 News.
In a statement, the Sacramento Police Department says it's aware of community complaints near the courthouse and they address issues as they arise, but they say they haven't specifically identified any crime trends in that area.